Hello everyone, we are Team Voice. In this video, we will walk you through our folder structure, maintainability, challenges we face, and finally, why we should be hired. Our project structure is divided into two main sections. The first one is feature and the second one is screens. Feature, which includes core functionality like authentication and app settings. These are organized using the MVVM architecture with clear separation between models, view models, service, and views. Screens, where we manage all user facing pages. This includes screens like session, practice, test, learn, parent. Each section has its own folders for controllers, views, which keeps the logic clean and modular. In our project, we kept all shared assets and configurations in a centralized resource folder. Here, the assets folder holds things like JSON files, images, and animations. For navigation, we have declared all routes in one dedicated routes folder, which makes managing screen transition simple and centralized. There's also a utils folder for common helper function and widgets folder for global reusable UI components. Under Learn item screen, we have a folder called Balloon Blast. This is where we kept our mini game logic. This is where we have implemented a mini game designed especially to help special children improve their fine motor skills. It's fun, interactive, and blend smoothly into the learning experience without breaking the flow of the apps. Maintainability. One of our top priorities was to make the app easy to update, even for non-developers. Here's how we achieve that. To add a section, just add a new JSON file in the asset folder. The app automatically detect and integrate it, no Dart code change needed. To add a lesson, if the asset already exists, just add its path in the session's JSON file. If not, upload the asset first, then reference it. The updates happens dynamically. Your new session is ready. No extra logic needed. Adding a new category. It's just a small step. Create your category folder, register it in pubspec.yml file and link it in the category list. Just copy one line from an existing entry, send the name, send the link, and boom, your new category is ready. No extra logic needed. All of above are instantly available, both study and test screen. To update the parental advice section, we support two type of question, yes, no, and 1 to 10 rating. First, you decide what type of question you want to add, then just call the function, give the question under the function. Then you will see the question in screen. And if you want to update advice or add advice in advice section, that's even easier. Just edit the JSON and the app automatically caches and displays the new advice. No build needed. This structure saves times, reduces bugs, and makes the app easier to maintain. Every good project comes with challenges, and for us, the challenges was full of learning. First, we started by learning all the core materials shared by our mentor. Things like MVVM, state management, clean architecture, value notifier, change notifier. We also have to learn Figma for design the UI. But then we went beyond that. We took on something extra, learning the Flame game engine to build an engaging game inside our apps. It wasn't easy, but it helps us make the app more interactive for children. Another major challenge was writing test cases. Flame doesn't easily support widget and util testing. So we could not cover that path. Even with this limitation, we have already achieved 72% of test coverage. And without the game limitation, it would easily go above 90%. The challenges made us stronger and more ready to work like real developers. We think we should be hired because we learned many important skills while building these apps. Throughout this project, we have mastered essential industry level Flutter skills like MVVM architecture, clean code practice, and GetX for essential state management and etc. We have also worked with tools used by real teams, Git and GitHub for collaboration, testing frameworks for quality control, and project management method to stay on track. From authentication to interactive games, we have implemented every part of the apps ourselves. But more importantly, we have worked as a team, solved real problem, and stayed committed till the end. We now understand what it takes to build scalable, maintainable, and meaningful software, and we are ready to take that to the next level. Before we end, we want to give a huge thanks to our mentor for incredible guidance throughout this project. We also want to thank the organization for giving this opportunity to build something meaningful.